first-time homebuyer mistakes to avoid in San Jose, California. You finally decide you're ready to buy a home in San Jose, California. You start looking at listings, you get excited, maybe even a little too excited. You call an agent, book a tour, and boom. Before you know it, you've made an offer. Congrats, you just made one of the biggest mistakes most first-time home buyers make. Wait, what? Did you just say buying a home in San Jose is a mistake? Not exactly, but how you do it? Oh, that can make or break your experience. Want to avoid making a costly mistake and ensure you get the best deal on your first home in San Jose? It's simple. Number 1, slow down. Number 2, get the right strategy in place. Number 3, and for the love of Silicon Valley, don't trust everything you see on Zillow. Stick with me, I'll break down the most common first-time home buyer mistakes and how you can avoid them like a pro. You see, I've seen it way too often. A first-time home buyer falls in love with a home, puts an offer without fully understanding the long-term cost, wins the bid, but then reality hits. Boom, monthly mortgage payments are higher than expected. Boom, property taxes, didn't even think about those. Boom, closing costs. Wait, what are closing costs? Next thing you know, you're drowning in payments, wondering if you made the worst decision of your life. But don't worry, I won't let that happen to you. Hey there, I'm Conrad Sensei, your friendly neighborhood real estate agent for everything San Jose. If you're thinking about buying your first home, you need to hear this. I help first-time home buyers every week navigate the crazy San Jose housing market so you don't end up with buyer's remorse. And if you want personalized help, book a free consultation with me using my Calendly link in the description below. Let's make sure your first home purchase is a win. Alright, let's break down the biggest mistake first-time home buyers make in San Jose and how you can avoid them. Mistake number 1, falling in love too fast. Ever seen a house so perfect it made your heart skip a beat? Stop right there. San Jose housing market moves fast and competition is fierce. But if you fall in love with a home before understanding its true value, hidden costs, and potential pitfalls, you could be setting yourself up for some disappointment. The fix? Get pre-approved first so you know what you can actually afford. Work with an experienced agent, hi, that's me, to analyze a home's real market value. Tour multiple homes before deciding. Your perfect house might not be the best deal. Mistake number 2, not understanding the true cost. The mortgage payment is $5,500. That's doable. Well, not so fast. Did you factor in property taxes, which can be thousands per year in San Jose? HOA fees, if you're buying a condo or in a gated community, home insurance, which depends on location, risks like earthquakes, maintenance costs, because owning a home means you fix the leaky sink now. The fix? Use a mortgage calculator that includes all costs, not just base mortgage. Talk to a lender about expected closing costs so you're not caught off guard. Budget at least 1% of your home's value per year for maintenance. Mistake number 3, skipping the first-time home buyers programs. Did you know there are programs in California that can help first-time home buyers with down payments and closing costs? Most buyers don't. San Jose has some incredible resources like CalHFA, California Housing Finance Agency, for down payment assistance, first-time home buyers grants that can give you thousands in help, lower interest rates for qualified buyers through state and local programs. The fix? Ask your lender or real estate agent, again, hi, about what programs you qualify for. Do not assume you need a 20% down. Many programs allow 3 to 5% down. Mistake number 4, waiving the inspection. Just don't. I really want the house. Maybe if I waive the inspection, I'll win the offer. Do you hear that sound? That's the sound of future you screaming in regret. The fix? Always get a home inspection, even if the market is competitive. If sellers don't allow it, that's a major red flag. Walk away. Negotiate repairs or credits based on the inspection findings. Mistake number 5, not thinking long-term. Your first home should fit your future, not just your today. Think about 5 to 10 years down the line. Are you planning to stay in San Jose long-term? Do you need extra space for family or work from home setup? Is the neighborhood growing or are people moving out? San Jose real estate is expensive, so you want to make sure you're making a smart long-term decision. The fix. Look at school districts even if you don't have kids. Better schools equals better resale value. Consider commute times and traffic. Can you realistically do this for years? Research future city developments. Buying in an up-and-coming area can mean huge equity gains later. Alright, let's recap. If you want to buy a home in San Jose and avoid costly mistakes, number 1, get pre-approved before falling in love. Number 2, know the full cost of home ownership. Number 3, take advantage of first-time homebuyer programs. Number 4, never waive the inspection. Number 5, think long-term. Buy a home that fits your future. Do this and you'll be miles ahead of other first-time homebuyers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Book a free consultation with me using my Calendly link in the description below. I help buyers like you every week. Let's make your first home a success. And I'll see you in the next video.